In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can load your own Deepseek AI model right in the web UI utilizing the HuggingFace's community's repository and making it super easy to do it. You can check out their repo right within the link and what we're going to be loading. The web version is as simple as just clicking on the load model and waiting a while until it all loads. I'll fast forward this to speed up the video. And now we're ready to check out our own private AI model using Deepseek. So I'm going to just test on the first prompt that comes up and wait a while until it replies. I will speed up this part of the video as the computation takes quite a while. In this case, it took roughly 15 minutes to tell me what the Python code to compute the Fibonacci numbers are. And finally, we got the answer we were looking for. Now, it took quite a while, and comment below to see in my next video how to speed this process up and run Deepseek locally, also for free. See you on the next one.